Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide likes on Instagram for two ways. So the first way is, let's just open the Instagram first. The first way, or the first step that you can do for hiding the likes on Instagram is just take a look on this part and just visit their profile, and then you just need to decide which account or which contents that you want to hide the likes from. Let's say here I wanted to hide the likes of this content, so you just need to open the content that you want to hide the likes from, and then go click these three small dots and just go click hide like counts, and you're done. But then if you want to hide the whole content on your account, you just need to go click this three straight line on the top right corner, go click setting and privacy, and then you just need to scrolling down. In the third box there will be a what you see sections, and you just need to click like and share counts here, go click down and make sure that this button is on. So hide like and share counts will be on, so those likes counts or anything that's on your accounts will be hidden. So that is the way how to hide likes on Instagram in two ways. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I want to see you for the next tutorial.